Hey, it's your girl Marky Spencer coming to you with another tutorial. Easy honey garlic pork chops, and let's get right into it. What you want to do is, while your meat is in the frying pan, you want to flip it. You want them to have that nice brown crust to it. It does not have to be cooked all the way because we're going to put it back into the broiler later. For the glaze, you want to just let the remaining juices from the cooked pork loin cook, and then you're going to add your ingredients. Let the sauce cook. You'll know when it's ready when it starts to bubble, like so. Look at how beautiful that is. Yes, yes, beautiful. Now transferring all of my pork loin chops into a pan, which you don't have to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the honey glaze sauce on top, pop it in the broiler for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then voila, here you go. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.